how to fix Gmail not sending emails. So if you want to fix your Gmail not sending emails, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, you need to open up your Gmail. Now here you need to go with compose, which will be on the left, and just write a mail and then try to send it. If it's not working, or if you are not being able to send emails, then first you need to check the space. Go with your profile, which will be on the top, and then go with manage your Google account. And from here, if your space is full, like you need to go with account storage and check your account storage. If it's 100% full, then you won't receive emails, nor you will be able to send your mails. If you have storage and if it's still not working, then you need to go with the three dots, which will be on the top. And from here, you need to go with history and go with open history panel. And from here, you need to go with delete browsing data and delete all of your data. After deleting, refresh your Gmail and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to go with your extensions. Go with manage extensions. And here, if you are using any extensions, then you just need to simply go and remove it that you don't use. If that still doesn't work, then you need to go back and then open up a different browser. Like for example, you can go with either Microsoft Edge or Firefox browsers and try to send a mail from those browsers and your problem might be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.